A deer or true deer is a hoofed ruminant mammal of the family Cervidae. The two main groups of deer are the Cervini, including muntjac, elk, wapiti, red deer, and fallow deer, and the Capreolini. That deer like to eat. Access to adjacent croplands may also benefit deer. Adequate forest or brush cover must still be provided for populations to grow and thrive. Deer are widely distributed, with indigenous representatives in all continents except Antarctica and Australia, though Africa has only one of the continent. Another extinct species of deer, Megaceroides algericus, was present in North Africa until 1600. Fallow deer have been introduced to South Africa. Small species of brocket deer and poodoos of Central and South America and muntjac of Asia generally occupy dense forests and are less often seen in open spaces, with the possible exception of the Indian muntjac. There are also several species of deer that are highly specialized and live almost exclusively in mountains, grasslands, swamps, and wet savannas or riparian corridors surrounded by deserts. Some deer have a circumpolar distribution in both North America and Eurasia. Examples include the caribou that live in Arctic. Deer are widely distributed, with indigenous representatives in all continents except Antarctica and Australia, though Africa has only one